Hello and welcome to this short introduction of the new BFC Starter Kit version 2. In this video, I want to explain the most important changes we made to the BFC Starter Kit. Implementing the new BFC and BFA software enables you to use the new license model and gives you therefore more flexibility. Additional to the perpetual licenses, subscription licenses are available for varying machine counts on the production floors. Starting from now on, it is very easy to update the system without external help. Software updates are provided via the Software Update service. Download the update file and run the update procedure using the Setup Wizard. We invested a lot to make all kinds of network configurations available to you using the Setup Wizard. Using the Setup Wizard, it is easy to use resources at the northbound, the middleware, and the southbound layer. Protecting your industrial equipment is one of our main interests. The power loss protection feature of the SSDs, as well as the possibility to turn off the computer by software, keeps your SSD and therefore the starter kit up and running for a long period of time. And besides some more minor changes, we made life easier with some download options for software, logging information and certificates. So, let's check them out and connect with a PC to the new starter kit. I will connect to X2P1, which is pre-configured as a static IP port, with IP address 172.16.1.100, as it is described in the Quick Install Guide. If you call the Setup Wizard's URL for the first time, you will still see this security warning. This is because there is no root certificate installed on your computer to verify the website certificate through your browser. With this new version, it is easy to download and install the root certificate. If you click on the information icon in the top right corner, you will find the download option to download the root certificate. Because I want to install it right away, I click on Keep and Open. And because it is a security-related file, you will be asked again to open it. The next step is to click on Install Certificate. Now you can choose whether you want to install it only for the current user or for everybody using this computer. I leave it to the default setting. The next question is important. Please choose the option to define the store where the certificate should be imported to. Select the Trusted Root Certificate Store and click OK. Now continue to finish these steps until you see the message Certificate imported successfully. After closing the message, you can start with the BFC Starter Kit installation process, or you can close the browser and open it again to see the effect right away. After deleting the browser's history and open the URL again, you see the security warning is gone. Now please set up a password to access the wizard for later use. While you are typing the password, you will see if you fulfilled the minimum requirement of the password policy already. The next screen offers the 7 steps to you to set up your BFC Starter Kit. Starting with the network configuration, the time server definition, and the time zone specification. You can then set up a proxy configuration, define the BFC Gateway Administration credentials, and specify the first 3 clients like Sinumeric, Fanuc, or Heidenhain controller before you start to deploy the whole system. Coming back to the Info menu, where we have a lot of downloads available for you. But the one new functionality I like most is the Update button. Whenever you receive an update file through your Software Update Service contract, you can click this button and paste it here. I will explain the whole update process in a separate how-to video, so please stay tuned. As mentioned before, hardware reliability in an industrial environment is one of our main concerns. Therefore, we integrated a reboot and a shutdown button. To restart the system for whatever reason does not imply a hard power off anymore. This additionally protects the built-in SSD hard drive, which is equipped with the power loss functionality already. Now let's step into the 2 new download options we provide with the new BFC Starter Kit. The download of various logging information inside the system report and the software downloads for the different BFC client versions. Downloading the BFC client zip file will open an explorer with all different versions of the BFC client software. For instance, here we'll find the BFC client for Sinumeric HMI, Advanced, and the Sinumeric Operate versions for Linux and Windows. And if you choose to download the system report, a text editor will be opened with the logging information which are available so far. Now, as we discuss the first 5 improvements, there is one more thing I want to announce here. And this is all about user experience. User experience worldwide. It is, admittedly, only a small aspect, but makes life a bit easier. From now on, we are delivering the BFC Starter Kit with a region-specific power cord. We selected 4 regions: the European, the British, the North American, and the Chinese market, and released 4 more article numbers for each region. The already existing article will have no power cable anymore. For all other regions where the power cable doesn't fit, please still use the already existing article number and try to find a cable which suits you in your region best. Thanks for your attention again, and see you in one of our next how-to video.